when it comes to CSAT, practice makes perfect. Once you need to be thorough with the entire syllabus of CSAT at least once.
Right. So, staying back at prelims, let us come to CSAT paper.
Right.
CSAT, more or less, we have three areas: arithmetic, reasoning, and then English reading comprehension. So, what do you think? Like a student has to have a kind of a strategy or maybe a tactic wherein clearing CSAT has to become very simple. How we can make it as a very simple exercise of clearing CSAT?
I think when it comes to CSAT, practice makes perfect once again.
Okay.
Because the thing is, we see that almost every year there can be a different area out of these three areas that you mentioned that can be an emphasis, right,
Hmm.
for UPSC. And
Right.
even we see today that the English part that comes, even
Hmm.
that is not very easy. So
True.
earlier, when we would just miss maths altogether and be like just rely on completely, this English
English
part,
comprehension.
that is not the case anymore. So what I think is that you need to be thorough with the entire syllabus of CSAT at least once.
Hmm.
You should have a basic level of understanding of the
Hmm.
arithmetic, the logical reasoning part, or the comprehension part.
Hmm.
So for that, I would say that at least 2 months of preparation should go side by side with your GS for you
Hmm.
to be thorough with it, right? I don't
Right.
think that there should be any shortcuts for CSAT as well,
Hmm.
because it matters a lot right now. Even, I mean, I have friends whose GS papers went wonderfully, but their
Hmm.
CSATs are somewhere they're lacking, right? So
Right.
that's
Right.
why I think there should not be any shortcuts. You should put that amount of time that it deserves. Try
Hmm.
to complete the entire subject matter at least once, have some understanding, and try to solve all PYQs possible. I think
Hmm.
even if you're able to do this much, your CSAT preparation will be enough for you to pass. So that is how I went about CSAT. Frankly, I did not take it
So,
easy.
do